We'll guide you through how to fix allow camera access not showing on an iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. For example, let's say you're using Instagram and you want to go and use your camera, and it says allow Instagram to access your camera and microphone, and you go and click on open settings, but the camera option is not there. First of all, you want to try doing a full restart on your iPhone. To do that, we can go and use a shortcut. Press the increase volume button, the decrease, and then hold down the side power button. Shortly, your phone screen will go black like this. Keep it held down until you go and see the Apple icon. Like so, release, and it will start again. When it starts again, go and see if it will now go and appear when you go to the setting. If it still isn't, then what you need to do is go and open up the settings app like so. Come back to the main page, find the option for General. In General, scroll down and you should see the option for Transfer or Reset iPhone. Go down and click on Reset, and you want to reset your location and privacy settings. At the bottom, you can then go and confirm your decision. Come back to the app and go and press Allow, and then hopefully it will go and work, as you can see. If this solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.